I don't think people realize just how hilarious pandas really are. These fluffballs are basically comedians in the animal kingdom. Let's jump into 5 facts you won't believe. Fact number 1, pandas spend up to 14 hours a day eating bamboo. Imagine snacking all day and calling it a job. Number 2, baby pandas are born pink and tiny, about the size of a stick of butter. 3 pandas do handstands while peeing to mark their territory higher up. 4, their cough is actually a flirting technique. And 5 pandas sometimes roll down hills just for fun. Got your own wild panda facts? Drop them in the comments below.